Can you believe this journey took over 400 years? In 1610, Galileo became the first person to observe Jupiter through a telescope. Cameras didn't exist yet, so all he could do was draw what he saw by hand. Around 1879, technology advanced enough to capture the first real photograph of Jupiter. It was blurry, black, and white. In 1973, Pioneer 10 became the first spacecraft to fly past Jupiter, sending back the first close-up images ever seen by humanity. Just 6 years later, in 1979, Voyager 1 captured the first high-quality color images, revealing incredible details of the Great Red Spot. Today, Juno orbits Jupiter, capturing the clearest and most breathtaking images ever taken of the giant planet. From a few pencil sketches to views that look like they were taken from the window of a spacecraft.